Good morning, everybody. Rob Ferretti here. Day 2 of the 2018 Project Car Challenge, brought to you by eAuto Warranty. We're at Daytona International Speedway right now. I've got the Jesus cleaning off the track for us with a little bit of rain. Yesterday, pretty easy. Car had to run for 15 seconds. Today, it's got to run for a couple of minutes at a time. We're doing time attack laps, which means there's a different start and finish line. We're starting over here from a dead stop. We're finishing right there in front of the Daytona sign. It's gonna get exciting, but tomorrow at Sebring, running a car for 20 minutes, you see how it's getting progressively harder. Let's hit the track. This is Kyle Massoon. He's a professional race car driver who came to help us squeeze the most out of the cars. Kyle's got a Rolex. He got that for free by winning Rolex last year, which is pretty cool. First car he drove was the boosted BRZ, but when he came back, there was a slight issue.
Looks like you ran it hard.
Well, fire! Fire! How do we get the fire? Fire! How do I get bypass?
One more time. Yeah. Oh, I think it's not. It's good now. No, it's good. It's good. It's good. Oil line. Now it's drama.
I think somebody should go tell the owner.
Oh, the owner's not even here?
Yeah, the owner's back at the pits. He has no idea.
Oh.
He's watching from afar. I'll run it again once they fix it?
Nah, probably not today. Still gotta drive home.
I did a warm-up lap, came into the pits, and they said the car was smoking a little bit, but they thought it was just a new turbo blanket breaking in. So they sent me out, we did the hot lap, came in, and after one lap it was a little bit on fire, but nothing went wrong. The track's super slick out there right now, so it was a lot of fun to drive the BRZ.
All right, so right now, getting going. It's wet outside, it's slick out there. And what's the best way to dry off a track? Set a car on fire and send it around the track. We did that with the BRZ. Little like hairpin oil leak onto the turbo blanket, and the turbo blanket here caught fire. Makes for good theatrics, but not such a big deal. Car will fire back up. They're gonna go blow off the fire extinguisher stuff, and we'll call it a day with that one. We did get a lap time out of it, and that's all you're looking for. So we got Tommy's lap. Let's go see what everyone else is doing.
Of my whole life. I can't even imagine what that's like in the rear-wheel drive cars right now. But it's fun.
Yeah. I come right back there, yeah.
All right, so the boss just went out smoking, hot soup sandwich style. But we'll see if they make it around the lap. Hopefully they come in. The thing I'm concerned about are fluids on the track. If it's raining and there's fluids on the track, not good. So hopefully they know their car better than I do, and it's not a big deal.
Right, quick. Yeah. Good. Hey, you got it on the left.
Well, it's running. It's on fire. Yeah, not on fire, and they didn't have to push it.
I had to do my seatbelt and drive my head out the window. I'm not making that.
So what happened?
So it felt phenomenal. The engine's great. There's so much steam hitting the engine. I can't see out the windshield. So we're gonna try and fix that. Like the boost is great. It ran great. No complaints whatsoever. It felt awesome, but I can't see, so I gotta fix that. All the water's coming in and hitting my headers because there's no radiator to dampen all that. So a normal car would have a rad there that would kind of block that.
And maybe the rad hose on the front. That's not disconnected. Did we not tighten it?
You did not tighten it. Okay, we're gonna bleed it again. Some more water in it.
What'd they say?
Is the track mad?
No? Really?
You promise?
Yeah, we pulled the chute on Daytona.
So I just did the warm up and it actually did really good. Like it was sick. So yeah, I think here pretty soon I might be going up again.
Do it straight. That's you. You got it, dog. We're like NASCAR track in a minivan. Yeah, take the shoe. Pull left. Go.
Oh, did they pull the chute too? Oh, yeah.
Tommy, how's the day? It's
Not good. This rain is f***ing up everything, Jim. I can almost see through your white pants. It's not cool. Anyway, no one's running any real fast times out there because of the rain. I don't think this is. I mean, now it's a driver's game, not a car game, and you're limiting the
Are you
field.
pretending like you're reading off your hand?
No, I'm trying to block you because you can see through your white pants. They're all wet.
The track is so slick. I have to do rolling burnouts to get any speed.
First round I spun out twice, like one consecutive, like 3 spin outs. Then second time around I went out and I did just fine. And I did right above like 3 minutes, which isn't fine, but I'm in a 2,700 pound car with cold tires and everything else, so I'm okay. But yeah, I had a really good time though. If it was dry, this track is legit. I would absolutely come back.
was that noise?
Here's Rob Ferretti coming in at a whopping
Stop him.
6:58. It's about a little 3 to 4 seconds off the current pace, but
Right now, as you can see the sun in my face, it's 12 o'clock and the sun is now coming out to dry up the track. But 3 hours is 3 hours.
Nobody likes to run in the rain, but especially with those tires that are pretty slick, but it was okay.
You were cooking that, like.
Yeah.
What were you doing on like the long straight?
155. No, we wanted it to be dry. We were hoping we hit 200 in the dry. I thought we could.
All right, let's take a look at the standings. Now, in first and second place at Daytona were the only two YouTubers smart enough to take advantage of the pro driver. Adam LZ and Tommy F. Yeah both took advantage of Kyle's skill and knowledge of the track and therefore placed first and second. Overall standings, you have Vehicle Virgins in the lead at 72 points after 2 days, followed by Cletus McFarland with 71 and Adam LZ and Rob Ferretti from Super Speeders both at 70. It's going to come down to Sebring between these four cars to see who can secure the overall victory. On the tuner side, Hyperfast decided it was too slick out there to risk their customer's car, so they didn't post an official time, giving LG a free pass to set a time. But that didn't slow him down, setting the fastest lap of the day at 2:38 and 35 seconds, giving him a commanding lead going into Sebring. So as long as his car doesn't break tomorrow, he looks like he's headed to the Nürburgring. All right, we just wrapped up here at Daytona. We're in turn 1, which is equivalent to the rest of the banking here, 31 degrees tilt, which equals like sort of hold on. But we're excited to come back maybe in July, do it again. I'd really like to go flat on this banking. I mean, this is a high-speed track, and everybody, including Lou, including Kyle, were definitely sketched out by the inclement weather. But we made it happen. We're up to Sebring tomorrow. We're gonna have hopefully a nice dry day. We got Justin Bell joining us, and we're just gonna go have a lot of fun. So 2 days down, 1 left. I want to thank today's sponsors. We've got Odyssey Batteries, we have E-Auto Warranty, check the link down there. We've got Michelin Tires, they provided the Cup 2 tires, which I'm really excited to rock around Sebring tomorrow. And also, I don't want to forget the guys on the GoFundMe page that made this happen. They threw some stuff in last minute, and you guys are awesome. You offset the cost so we can come out and have a blast, and it really was a blast. And lastly, Strike Force Energy Drink. Check the link in the description. I've got probably 400 of them in my truck, and I assure you I will drink most of them and share them with my friends. Check them out. They made this all possible. See you tomorrow.